Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up an automation flow to auto-redial numbers captured through missed calls. I'll walk you through a flow that I've already set up, which automatically redialed every customer who tried to reach my business but couldn't get through, so no lead was missed and no opportunity slipped away. You can follow the same approach or tweak it to fit your own requirements. I started with the trigger node, the From Object node. I named it When the Missed Call list is updated, because this trigger got activated whenever a new missed call entry was added to the list. For this setup, I had chosen the object type as Standard Object, since cloud telephony is a predefined system-level object. From the available objects, I picked cloud telephony under the Communication module because that's where all call activities were being handled. I set the record action to create, so a new record was generated every time a missed call was logged. For the call type, I selected Outbound, since the system needed to make the callback. I also picked the virtual number that was used for redialing, and for the dial type, I chose Predictive, so the system could automatically dial the numbers. I set the number of retries to 2, meaning if the first call attempt went unanswered, the system retried one more time. Between these retries, I gave a wait time of 120 seconds, so after 2 minutes, the system tried the customer's number again if they didn't pick up the first time. Once the dialing setup was done, the flow moved to the Assign node. This node routed the redialed call to the right agent. I enabled the sticky agent option so that if a customer had previously spoken to a particular agent, the system first tried to reconnect them to the same person for better continuity. If that agent wasn't available, the call automatically moved to other available agents. To manage the agent distribution, I used a People node. Here, I selected User as the people type, then chose the agents who were supposed to receive these auto-redial calls. For the field type, I chose Mobile number, so the calls went directly to the agent's registered mobile phones. This distributed the calls in a round-robin manner, which kept the workload balanced among the team and made sure every agent got their fair share of callbacks. Once the call handling part was done, I ended the flow neatly with an End node. Before wrapping up, I show you how I added the missed calls list to this automation. To do that, I clicked the Action button against the automation campaign name and selected Add List. In the overlay that appeared, I chose Dynamic List as the list type and selected Cloud Telephony as the object. Then, I picked the list I had already created in the Cloud Telephony object, called Missed Calls. The field name dropdown automatically showed the available fields in this list, so I selected Caller Number, since the automation was supposed to run based on the customer's phone number. Once I hit Submit, the list got added to the campaign. After this setup, the automation automatically picked up every new caller number that's being added to this missed call list in the Cloud Telephony object and started dialing those numbers back using the flow I created. Customers either got reconnected to the agent they had previously spoken with, or, if that person wasn't available, the call went to the next available agent. This ensured that no lead was lost, the contact rate improved, and customers felt valued because their missed calls didn't go unanswered. And that's how I had set up an auto-redial missed calls automation flow in Office 24 by 7. You can follow these same steps or customize the flow to fit your team's needs. Happy automating!